everyone, today's video is dedicated to my friend Uma. Yes Uma, it's the eggless date and nut banana loaf recipe which you had asked me to share earlier. This is also made with whole wheat flour and it is very healthy for you. Before we start, kindly subscribe to ENIE'S Creations and do hit the bell icon to get notified of our upcoming videos. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. This recipe needs 4 ripe bananas or overripe bananas. The overripe ones actually makes this bread even more tastier. Mash the bananas well with a fork or using a hand blender. Make sure there are no lumps. This is how our mashed bananas will look like. Now we add half cup of brown sugar or white granulated sugar. Combine the brown sugar with the bananas. Brown sugar is healthier than our normal white sugar and they also provide a good brown color to the whole bread. I see there are some more banana lumps, so I'm using a hand blender to mash up all the bananas well. Now we add half a cup of coconut oil. Coconut oil gives a very good flavor for this bread, but if you don't like coconut oil, you can use sunflower oil or any vegetable oil. Next in goes 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a pinch of cinnamon powder. This is optional. Blend all this well till everything is combined. I've placed a sieve or a strainer over the bowl of mashed bananas and we'll sift 1.5 cups of whole wheat flour, 1.5 tablespoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda and a pinch of salt. Sieve all this into the bowl of mashed bananas. You may notice the brown substance in the wheat flour. That's nothing but the kernel of the wheat. That's also very good for you, so I'm not going to waste it. I'm going to put it into the mix. Now we must fold this mixture ever so gently. Take your own time and be very gentle while folding the flour. And try to use a pastry spatula instead of the spoon I'm using. I had mine, I kind of lost it. My toddler, she went and misplaced it somewhere. I don't know where it is. Now add 1/4 cup of chopped dates, half a cup of chopped walnuts and slowly fold this in. Now I'm going to place it into my greased loaf pan here. Just even the batter out towards the sides of the pan. Now slide this into the preheated oven and bake it for 30 to 40 minutes or until the toothpick inserted comes out clean. And bake for 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. Now it's time to check on our banana bread. I think the bread looks good. Insert a toothpick to see if it's done. If it comes out clean, then you're good. I'm just dusting it with some icing sugar. Hope you guys like this recipe. Do share and do give a thumbs up for this video. And thanks for watching.